I've been on TRT with Unleashed Medical ever since March of 2023, so I'm going on close to 6 months now. This is my second round of 3 months, and I gotta say, I immediately saw a difference within 14 days of being on TRT. Now, I'm a person who consistently goes to the gym every single day, Monday through Friday, with weekends usually taking off, and I didn't really see a lot of results. Mostly was probably due to my dieting as well. But even when I got on a strict diet, I wasn't seeing the results that I was expecting. I was always lethargic. I was always tired. I was moody. I didn't have a lot of energy. My sex drive was fine, but it wasn't at the peak that it was in the 20s. So once I got on TRT within 14 days, I saw my body transform. My arms got bigger, my chest got bigger, my shoulders got bigger, and the fat went down. So I started seeing results, which was great. My sex drive also increased significantly, and as well as my energy. I'm not as tired and lethargic as I used to be. And overall, my sleep and everything's been pretty good. I haven't had any major side effects being on TRT. And to be honest, I interviewed a lot of people in the TRT space to decide who I was going to go with. And I like Sam with Unleashed Medical the best, hence the reason why I went with him. And hopefully you see my before and after pictures so you know what's a real deal. It's not some crazy massive transformation, but like I said, I go to the gym Monday through Friday. I work out for about an hour or so. My dieting is a little bit better, but it's not the best. So only imagine what you can do if you end up sticking to a strict diet.